Hi, Gizmoguy here. So you got a new iPhone, but you still drive an older car, a car without Bluetooth or an aux input. So what do you do if you want to listen to streaming music or music from your iPhone through your car radio? Well, I have a suggestion for you. It's this little gadget from iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. This little gadget will allow you to broadcast all the sound from your iPhone onto your car radio without any wire or any type of additional accessory. You simply plug in this device onto your phone, and all the music from your phone will be played through your car radio. So let me show you how this is done. So first we set the car radio to the preset, and we turn it up. And you'll hear that there's a lot of static noise there, and we'll turn on this gadget. Notice that the static noise went away. Now we simply plug in this device onto our phone and pick the music that you want to hear. So this is what it sounds, well, that's what the phone sounds like without the transmitter connected to it. We plug in. You can hear that your music is coming out loud and clear. Now let's go to streaming media. In this case, we'll try Pandora. You can hear that the sound is actually coming out loud and clear without any sort of distortion or noise or even static. And you can work the radio just like the way it was. Now we turn it off, and the noise returns. So this is how you can get your music from your new iPhone onto your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. You simply connect this device, the iPhone FM transmitter from iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. You connect this device onto your iPhone, and then you'll be able to listen to your music